Hi friends! Today we're going to do a little blending activity and we're going to sing a song. It's going to sound very familiar to you. The tune, not the words. We're going to sing a song and it's going to help us to blend some words. Okay? So first we're going to do ones that have two sounds and then we're going to do ones that have three sounds. So we're going to do easy ones first and then ones that are a little bit harder. Okay? So it goes like this. The sounds in the words are egg, egg, egg. The sounds in the words are egg. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? That's right, it's egg, egg. All right. Next one. The sounds in the words are b-e, b-e, b-e. The sounds in the words are b-e. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? B-e. That's right, it's bee. B-e, bee. All right. Next, we have another one. The sounds in the words are t-I, t-I, t-I. The sounds in the words are t-I. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? T-I. That's right, it's tie. T-I, tie. All right, this is the last of the two sound words. Are you ready? The sounds in the words are k-e, k-e, k-e. The sounds in the word are k-e. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? K-e is key. K-e, key. Was that too easy for you, friends? We're going to try it with some words that have three sounds. It's going to be a little bit harder. Are you ready? The sounds in the word are m and n, m and n, m and n. The sounds in the word are m and n. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? M and n. That's right, it's man. M and n, man. All right, next one. The sounds in the words. This is like messing me up a little bit. The sounds in the word are n-et, n-et, n-et. The sounds in the word are n-et. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? N-et. That's right, it's net. N-et. Net. All right. The sounds in the word are l-ak, l-ak, l-ak. The sounds in the word are l-ak. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? L-ak. That's right, it's lock. All right, this is our last one. The sounds in the word are p-ig, p-ig, p-ig. The sounds in the word are p-ig. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? P-ig. That's right, it's big. All right, so my friends, the other thing that you can do this with things in your house. So like, for example, You could say the sounds in the word are book, 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 book. The sounds in the word are book. Can you guess the word? Can you guess? That's right, it's a book. Or things like that. So you can play this game with someone in your family or by yourself with different things around your house. See you, friends.